ari Nelson Chamisa oya ichiita a declaration over Zimbabwe panguva ino as we are beginning another month. Nelson Chamisa oya aitaura mashoko anyatsokuonekwa kunzi Nelson Chamisa achiri nehope aiwa neZimbabwe, but pichirongoleka panguva ino inongori action. Saka pina mashoko anobuda achiillustrate naChamisa dot subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chamisa muda anyora achiti the 1 November declaration over Zimbabwe. Today I declare Zimbabwe a land of dignity, integrity and values, a land of love, peace and unity, a land of competitive complementarity, not conflictual competition, a land of hope, hospitality and light, a land of accountability and responsibility, a land of equality, fairness, forgiveness and tolerance, a land of freedom, the pursuit of happiness and holiness, a land of true worship of a true God, a land of healing, restoration and reconciliation, a land of beauty and excellence, a land of greatness and a great people. Let Zimbabwe be known as a land of increase, generosity, thriving abundance. We claim Zimbabwe back from the dead, from the ashes and from principalities of darkness. All glory be unto God, the Almighty, in Jesus' mighty name. Let there be light. Domashwa Ntagwana Nelson Chamisa as we begin the new month. Tuze mafunguro enyu clip pamusoro pe this message delivered as a declaration to Zimbabwe by Nelson Chamisa. Bila kuma section menu za mafunguro enyu clip pamusoro pe chitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.